Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable salary downloads on your cheat app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step. So it's going to take you to next step here in this list. Then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, you come to next step here, come here to accelerate downloads. So then you just click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color it's gone, that means accelerate downloads disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.